everyone, kamusta? Break time na namin ngayon na inaantay namin si Nicole. Kain po.
Yes, ganun lang.
Dumating na kayo dyan.
Pero naging masarap na. This is Cafe Coreano of Bonchon is 8 out of 10. Close to perfect.
Si Mama Eileen, ayaw niya. Di ba tikman mo ulit to?
Wala lang, may yellow. Yellow. Mapait.
Siyempre, kape. Rate mo to, rate mo to.
4. Nonchalant naman. 4. I am Nicole and I'm going to review this. What's that?
Ayaw mo pa mag-ano?
Bingsu Cafe Coreano. Cafe Coreano? Since I don't drink coffee at all, so I won't taste it. But it is a straight up 3 out of 10. Yes. Thanks.
Lalabas na po kami sa Bonchon. Wait lang.
National fries din.
Ito. Tanggalan natin. Ang hirap. Ang hirap video.
Hi everyone! So we are here right now walking down this LRT line 2. Charis. I don't know what line is this, but oh my gosh.
Nangyari. Kapilak ka.
I tripped my foot. Service is kind of slow, but it is understandable since they're
Tikman natin.
people.
Wala, ang sarap.
What's your rate though?
10-10. 10 over 10.
You're so generous.
Ang sarap niya, te. May coffee jelly talaga siya.
Wala sa akin.
Legit ba?
Wala akong jelly na.
May jelly yan. Kasama sa ano.
Ito yung last second.
Magkaiba ba? May jelly yan.
Wala.
May caramel din.
Ala. Meron sa akin. They're stressing themselves out, but here I am just happy enjoying my bingsu.
Dinalagyan ng coffee jelly sa'yo, te.
Bakit naman yung jelly? Yung jelly lang wala siya.
Pero may mga naano ka cheese.
Oo.
Cheesecake.
Nalo ko. A bits.
Kulang yung serving ng ano. Nung binili namin coffee na bong, ano. Nagagal. Yung coffee po, kulang po kayo dyan ng coffee jelly. Takang kompleto.
So, Bonchon, please note that you serve drink without the coffee jelly. But it's okay, it's understandable since you're lacking of people. But please next time take note of that one.
Yes, ma'am. Ay, naano ko nga na matamis siya. Kasi hinahalo ko. Matamis.
Okay, no, I will hand it over to her.
Matamis nga. Nung hinahalo na siya, matamis na siya. Pero masarap siya. Coffee, tas cheesecake. Not bad. Ten over 10 to sa akin. Guys, babalik na po kami sa office. Kasi magwa-1 na. Si Nicole, magbabay ka na.
Bye
Bye-bye po.
everyone! Bye again!